We are in an amazing place. Yes. The earth is an amazing place to be, you know. But in that amazing place, there is a dangerous world in that amazing place that is ruled by fear, by doubt, you know. Now, for you to come out of the world is to embrace the self. Embracing the self, you begin to experience the amazing place that you are in. The earth is an amazing place. So, awakening will bring you to that self-awareness. Awakening will bring you out of people, out of the world, and be in the self, in that